Hello everyone, this is Javier from the channel Top Links. Welcome you all to this video. We do work with the videos on various products and making efficient reviews for the customer convenience. Today we are going to open a package of a necklace which has been ordered from online Aliexpress. And finally we got the delivery within 18 days. One thing to note that we asked for a double layer of package and expecting they did it so. As you see, the package is very rigid and sounds safe. Now let's check it out about the package's layer, as we ordered for the double layer for the extra safety for the customer's convenience. Let's check it out. Now let's open the package, and here you see it's been gummed and sticked so tight. Let's try if it's open like this. No, I think it's not gonna work. So it's pretty strong. See how much secured. So better option would be cutting this off. So let's look for a scissor. Okay. Here we're opening it. Almost forgot that it's a necklace from the brand Match Right. It's a pearl pendant up there, which is about 18.4 centimeter in size. Here it's open. Let's see. Yes, exactly. It's been packed for double layered, as you see here. This is the upper part and this is the inner part. You see, it's pretty secure and no concern about the damage. So this is the most anticipated thing for what this video is made of. So as you see, it's a beautiful pearl necklace, white color, and it's look pretty good. It's for the women, so you can gift it in any occasion for any women, and I'm pretty sure they would love to have this sort of gift from anyone. See, it's pretty good. So viewers, we hope this video may come to your convenience. If it is so, then please hit the thumbs on the like button and subscribe our channel for more videos, and especially don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified. See you soon with something new. Till then, take care and have a happy and safe shopping.
For more details about the product and the link, go to the description below. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel, like, share, and comment below.